In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a Notion page. The most reliable way to get a clean, consistent printout for Notion is to export the page as a PDF and then print that file. This preserves your formatting, keeps images in place, and avoids surprises that can happen with direct browser printing. Start by opening the Notion page you want to print. Navigate to the exact page, not just the database or list that links to it. Take a quick look through the content and expand any toggles or collapsed sections you want included. Since the export reflects what's visible, if your page has multiple views or filters, choose the one you want to capture. Next, look to the top right corner of the page and click the three dots to open the menu. This is the More menu where page-level actions live. From there, select Export. This opens a panel with file format choices and a few helpful options. Choose PDF as the format. PDF is recommended because it locks in your layout across devices and printers, which makes the final printout much more predictable. While Notion can also export to other formats, PDF is the best choice when your goal is a physical or shareable, print-ready version. Before exporting, take a moment to adjust the settings. Make sure images are included if your page has screenshots, diagrams, or illustrations. Pick the page size that matches your printer or region, like letter or A4, and set the orientation that best suits your content. If you see scaling or margin options, aim for fit to page or 100% to avoid cutoffs. A quick preview in your head goes a long way. If your page has wide tables, landscape orientation can make them more readable. When everything looks right, click Export. Notion will generate the PDF and download it to your computer. For larger pages with many images or databases, give it a moment. Check your Downloads folder or your browser's download bar if you don't see it immediately. Open the PDF with your preferred viewer and print as you normally would. Use the Print command, choose your printer, and review the preview pane. Confirm the correct page size, portrait, or landscape orientation, and whether you want single or double-sided printing. If anything looks cramped or cut off, adjust scaling to fit or reduce the percentage slightly until the preview looks clean. That's all there is to it. Export as PDF, review the settings, download, and print. Thanks for watching.